Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach and my first mate Lawson. Today we're traveling to downtown Wilmington on the Halloween Getaway, and we're on the 2017 590 Dancer. We'll be traveling through the Intercoastal Waterway. We'll cut through Snow's Cut and into the Cape Fear River, where we'll end up in downtown.
So now we're passing Carolina Beach Inlet. You can see off to the port side. Ocean looks pretty slick today. Still traveling in the Intercoastal Waterway, coming up on Carolina Beach. When we get to Carolina Beach is when we're going to hang to the starboard side and go through Snow's Cut. So now we have arrived at Carolina Beach. So if you were to go straight, you would end up all the way down at the marine at the basin at Carolina Beach. What we're going to do is hang to the starboard side and go underneath the Carolina Beach Bridge, and this is what is considered Snow's Cut. So now we're passing by the Carolina Beach State Park, which is a little marina. Coming through Snow's Cut, coming out into the channel that will lead us to the Cape Fear River. It does get a little shallow on the starboard side over here, and it will shoal up at times. Definitely at low tide you'll see it. So now we are approaching the Cape Fear River. We're running about 23 knots. You can see up in front of us with the cranes, this is Sunny Point Military Base, a large munitions depot. If we would continue south, we'd empty out by Ballhead Island and the channel running out into the ocean. But what we're going to do is turn north and go back up the river. So now we're going to make our turn. There's a couple of ships here loading up. A little juvenile bald eagle passing us. And first mate is still awake. Pulling up to the state port of Wilmington. And a couple of ships in. A couple of tugs coming at us here. You see it gets a little narrow through here with all the ships in. Alright, we're just pulling up to downtown Wilmington. It's the Cape Fear Memorial Bridge. Now we're cruising into downtown Wilmington. We have the U.S. Coast Guard Diligence, which is in for a couple weeks for provisions before heading back out to the Caribbean for patrols. So we've got the USS North Carolina battleship off to the port side. We have arrived at the Port City Marina. Just setting fenders and lines. Dwight Yoakam will be playing at the Shell tomorrow night. And we're going to be on the T-head, the south end of the marina. Easy trip down the Cape Fear River.